Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by minimizing light and contrast. Install a privacy film that narrows side viewing angles to about 30 degrees so only you see the display head-on. Once applied, switch your phone to dark mode and set a pure black wallpaper. This reduces emitted light. Next, drop brightness to the lowest comfortable level and turn off auto brightness, because steady, low output prevents sudden reflections. These first actions reduce visibility dramatically while keeping the screen usable for you. Once the basics are done, move to techniques that cut remaining glow. If you have an OLED phone, use black-themed apps and UI elements so many pixels actually turn off. This creates near darkness. Install a reputable dimming overlay app to push brightness below the system floor. Make sure it uses a secure accessibility permission and adjust gradually. Also disable always-on display and adaptive screen features, because periodic wakes or bright notifications defeat invisibility. To finish, add a matte anti-glare protector to scatter reflections and wipe fingerprints that catch light. You should test the result in the lighting where you need invisibility. Adjust the dimming overlay and brightness for that environment. If you encounter problems like visible glow when notifications pop, silence visual alerts or set them to minimal. If glare still persists, slightly raising ambient background light reduces contrast and makes the screen less noticeable. This single troubleshooting tip usually solves residual visibility.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.